Hey everyone, Mark here at Seaway Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. New to our lineup, 2020 Hyundai Venues. This is a pre-owned. I've bought a couple before. I just bought a couple more because we did so well with them. So you already saw the kilometers, less than 9,000, meaning you got more than 90,000 kilometers of full factory warranty. Save a little bit of money off the price of new. That never hurts as well. So again, 2020 Hyundai Venue, new to our lineup. Been a huge seller. We sold a ton of these last month. So we're happy to buy any new or pre-owned ones we can find. So again, Venue, kind of our smallest SUV, fits, scales right in underneath the Kona, but no lack of standard features, which I'll show you very shortly. You got alloy wheels, you got turn signal indicators on the mirrors, as you can see right there. You've got, I keep talking, talk. That's all I do all day. That's what all my employees say, you talk too much. Well, I get excited. So again, nice beefy Hyundai grille. So you can see hood's in nice shape, windshield's in nice shape, roof's in nice shape. There's a nice shark fin there for an antenna. All cool stuff. And what you've kind of come to realize about Hyundai, lots of cool stuff. So you're gonna have this nice privacy cover, which you can remove if you need a little bit more cargo space. Mats are back here for cleanliness purpose. You've got anchors on all three seats. These seats are also split folding, so you can 60/40 fold them down, remove that privacy cover, get some more interior cargo space. But if the kids are in there, make sure you leave those seats up. Definitely important. All right, let's check out the back. So again, nice cloth seats, got a little stitching there, make it a little bit more sporty. Carpets are all in good shape. You got power windows on the rear. So again, all the standard features you expect to find. But here's what you wouldn't expect to find on a smaller vehicle like this. You have push button start, proximity key. I left the key in there, so I won't hit it because it won't work. As you can see, it knows I don't have the key on me. It's in the car. It will not lock the car, which is definitely a nice feature to have. Because if you're like me and you leave your keys in the car, that's bound to happen once in a while. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You also have locking rear windows. Good feature if you have kids, keep them safe. You have an adjustable driver's seat, so you can raise it up, raise it down. Underneath you have a lever that can bring it forward or back. You also have a lever to adjust your back, so front to back. So all the things you'd expect to find. You have the interior illumination, which you can adjust. You have lane departure warning. You have traction control, which you can shut off. So again, nice features there. Jump in, here we go. Push button start, push button start. Like I said, no shortage of standard equipment. You get a nice leather wrapped steering wheel on top of it. You have all your Bluetooth hands-free calling, voice recognition on the left-hand side, cruise controls on the right-hand side. You also have some interior settings which you can toggle through and adjust to your specifications. So again, a little bit of personalization of the vehicle. You have drive modes, so you can drive it in sport. Snow, I don't want to talk about that, or normal mode. Let's not talk about snow. Let's leave it in normal for a little while. Hopefully someone else can talk about snow a long time from now. You have 3-stage heated seats. You have heated steering wheel. Like I said, you are not giving up features when you get into this Venue. Temperature controls, easy to use right here. Air conditioning, rear defrost, your 120 volt right there, or your 12 volt and your USB right there. Boom. Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, all standard features. Plug your Apple phone in, your Android phone in, have access to traffic reports, real-time navigation, anything like that. And a massive backup camera. So again, just because it's a smaller vehicle, you are not giving up features. It's got it all. That's why I bought it. It's the preferred model. So you can see everything, I keep saying in nice shape, but I wouldn't lie to you because there's no reason for me to lie. I don't want to disappoint anybody. So again, we just looked at a 2020 Hyundai Venue preferred package. Lots of standard factory warranty, lots of standard features. Don't miss out. Shop 24/7 seawayhyundai.com for all your new and pre-owned vehicle needs. And as always, make sure you follow us on Facebook. We're always giving away fun things. We're always doing crazy videos. We have a lot of fun here. So again, follow us on Facebook, Seaway Hyundai, or on Instagram. We're always doing crazy things. So again, shop 24/7 seawayhyundai.com, and we look forward to seeing you soon for your vehicle purchase.